Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a quick home repair, do-it-yourself, home improvement video. I am, well, let me step back a minute. These are some posters that I got back in the 70s, maybe even late 60s, when I was going to Watkins Glen for the Formula One Grand Prix. They don't run it there anymore. The track is not up to international Formula One standards. It's still there. It's still a good track, but the cars have gotten so fast that the tracks have to be, almost all are custom-made tracks except for the city circuits, and they do those anyway just because they're a lot of fun and a big attraction. Anyway, long story short, I had these mounted on what I would call poster board. It's not cardboard. It's pretty solid stuff. Some kind of, I assume, wood fiber material. And here's the problem. Wanted to put them up on my walls, on my cabinet faces, to decorate. I've been carrying these things around across the country back and forth for years, decades, and now I'm going to put them up. So the solution is, well, it's not these command strips. It could be maybe these command strips, but these have a glue on them that is intended for a very flat, almost shiny surface. So they stick to my cabinets great. No problem at all. Cool. And they'll come off clean. I've used them before for other applications. However, they do not stick to this particle board. It's not really particle board, poster board. It just pulls right off. So what I ended up doing is using some two-part epoxy. This is supposed to be good for a whole lot of different stuff. Among which is wood. So I was looking for something that said it would work with wood. So I mixed it up. I coated one side of the command strips with the epoxy, and I'm using some pressure to hold it down. It's supposed to set in 5 minutes and cure in an hour. What that means, setting just means it's not tacky anymore, but it really doesn't have that much strength. Curing means it has almost full strength in an hour. So I'm going to try that and see how it works up. And then the reason I found it out, just I don't know if it matters or not, but I'll just give you a little personal information. I decided to put them into year sequence so that people could see, if they looked at them, the differences in the cars from year to year. That's a 71 car there. And let's see. All right, that's a pretty good one. That's a 71 car. And that's a 78 car. Is that right? Mario Andretti? Yeah, 1978. So you can see how they changed. Anyway, the wings changed, the air intakes changed, a lot of things changed. And the manufacturers, of course, changed. If you're a fan of Formula One, you know they come and go, except for maybe Ferrari and Mercedes. But long story short, wrap it up, Froggy. Don't try to use those command strips on any kind of rough stuff. If it was a smooth wood, well, even if it was a smooth wood, probably not. If it was a painted wood, it would probably work. But I just wanted to show you how I got around it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. When you're gluing with epoxy, I think putting a little pressure on it is good. I put those ammo cans on there. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.